In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download video from Telegram private channel iPhone. Let's begin. So once you head over to Telegram, go to the top and select the search bar, and then type in save restricted content. Then select the first option at the top. Go to the bottom and select start. Then it's going to ask you to join another channel to use this bot. So you're going to join it, then select join. Afterwards, you're going to go to that channel in which you want to download the restricted content. I'm going to use this image, for example. Now, if somebody sends something and you select it, a lot of the times you're not going to see the option to share the image or the video or to download it to your phone. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold onto the image or video, then select copy link. Then head over to the save restricted bot and then paste the link in. And the bot is going to download the image or the video for you, and you'll be able to save it to your phone. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.